Typhoon Soudelor made landfall in Hualien's Sioulin Township at 4:40 a.m. on August 8th, with the outer edge of the storm encompassing the entire island. Soudelor brought over 1,000 milliliters of rain to Yilan's Taiping mountain and forced 17 gust wind to Pengjia Islet.
Typhoon Soudelor made landfall in Hualien's Sioulin Township shortly before 5 a.m. on the morning of the 8th. The storm weakened after making landfall but still brought fierce winds and torrential rain to Taiwan. According to the Central Weather Bureau, Yilan's Taiping mountain received 1,213 millimeters of rain between midnight on the 6th and 9 a.m. on the 8th. In New Taipei City, Sansha and Wulai received respectively 856 and 781 millimeters of rain. Taoyuan City's Fuxing district also received 633 millimeters of rain. Soudelor battered Pengjia Islet and Orchid Island with force 17 and force 14 winds respectively. Meanwhile, force 13, 12, and 11 winds were recorded in respectively Keelung, Yilan, and Taipei. The Bureau says Soudelor's outer edge won't leave Taiwan proper until the early hours of the 9th. Taiwan's offshore islands, including Penghong, Jimen, and Matsu, won't be in the clear until noon. The Bureau reminds the public to be careful and vigilant over the next few days.